Christopher Mutsvangwa, the firebrand politician and former war veterans leader, has once again thrust himself into the maelstrom of Zimbabwean politics. His recent pronouncements, accusing Vice President Constantino Chiwenga of treachery and harboring presidential ambitions, have sent shockwaves through the ruling ZANU-PF party. Delivered with his characteristic bluntness, Mutsvangwa's audacious claims have ignited a firestorm of speculation and intrigue. Is this a desperate attempt to cling to relevance? Or is Mutsvangwa, a seasoned political operator, playing a deeper game? His accusations against Chiwenga are not mere political mudslinging. They strike at the heart of Zimbabwe's delicate power balance. The relationship between Chiwenga and President Emmerson Mnangagwa, forged in the crucible of the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, has long been viewed as the bedrock of the current regime. If true, Mutsvangwa's allegations suggest a fracturing of this alliance, potentially destabilizing the entire political edifice. The timing of Mutsvangwa's pronouncements is particularly noteworthy. With Zimbabwe gearing up for the 2023 elections, the political temperature is already running high. His incendiary remarks have thrown fuel on the fire, raising the stakes in an already tense political climate. His gambit has the potential to reshape the electoral landscape, forcing realignments and recalibrations within ZANU-PF. Whether this bold move will pay off for Mutsvangwa remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: Zimbabwe's political chessboard has been irrevocably altered. Mutsvangwa's public pronouncements, delivered through press conferences and interviews, have been as audacious as they have been calculated. He has accused Chiwenga of orchestrating a clandestine plot to usurp power from Mnangagwa, painting a picture of a Machiavellian figure operating in the shadows. According to Mutsvangwa, Chiwenga has been consolidating his power within the military and intelligence services, building a parallel structure of authority that rivals Mnangagwa's own. These allegations, while yet to be substantiated, tap into a deep-seated anxiety within Zimbabwean society. The country's history is littered with tales of political intrigue and power struggles, often played out behind closed doors and shrouded in secrecy. The specter of conspiracy, real or imagined, has long haunted Zimbabwe's political landscape. Mutsvangwa's accusations, therefore, resonate with a public accustomed to whispers of plots and counterplots. The arrest of Mutsvangwa's son Neville, on charges of undermining the authority of the president, has added another layer of complexity to this unfolding drama. While the government maintains that Neville's arrest is unrelated to his father's political activities, many observers see it as a thinly veiled attempt to silence Mutsvangwa and deter further criticism of Chiwenga. The arrest has fueled suspicions that Chiwenga is indeed flexing his muscles, using the state apparatus to quash dissent and protect his own interests. The truth behind Mutsvangwa's allegations and the circumstances surrounding his son's arrest remain murky. However, the fact that these events are unfolding in the public eye, through pronouncements and counter-pronouncements, suggests a shift in the dynamics of Zimbabwean politics. The veil of secrecy that once cloaked such power struggles appears to be lifting, exposing the raw machinations of power to the scrutiny of the nation. To understand the current political drama, one must delve into the events of November 2017. The coup that deposed Robert Mugabe, orchestrated by Chiwenga with Mnangagwa's backing, was a pivotal moment in Zimbabwe's history. It marked the end of an era and ushered in a new political order. The alliance between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, forged in the heat of that tumultuous period, was seen as the guarantor of stability and continuity. However, the seeds of discord were perhaps sown even then. Chiwenga, as the architect of the coup, emerged as a powerful figure, his influence extending deep into the military and security apparatus. Mnangagwa, while assuming the mantle of the presidency, found himself beholden to Chiwenga's support. This inherent power imbalance, although unspoken, has always loomed large over their relationship. Mutsvangwa, a key figure in the events of 2017, initially served as a close confidant to Mnangagwa. As the leader of the War Veterans Association, he played a crucial role in mobilizing popular support for the coup. However, his relationship with Mnangagwa soured in the years that followed, culminating in his expulsion from ZANU-PF in 2019. This estrangement, fueled by personal and political differences, has left Mutsvangwa with a score to settle and a platform to air his grievances. The current crisis, therefore, can be seen as a delayed aftershock of the 2017 earthquake. The power dynamics that shifted so dramatically back then have continued to evolve, with Mutsvangwa's recent pronouncements exposing the fault lines that have been rumbling beneath the surface. The shadow of 2017 looms large, reminding Zimbabweans that the ghosts of the past can return to haunt the present. The saga unfolding in Zimbabwe is not merely a contemporary power struggle. It is deeply intertwined with the country's history, a history marked by cycles of loyalty, betrayal, and the ruthless pursuit of power. The ruling party, ZANU-PF, has long been plagued by internal divisions and factionalism, with ambitious individuals vying for control of the levers of power. Robert Mugabe, the longtime ruler of Zimbabwe, was a master of political maneuvering. He skillfully played off different factions within ZANU-PF, maintaining his grip on power for over 3 decades. Mugabe's rule, however, was also characterized by purges and crackdowns, targeting those who dared to challenge his authority. The coup that ousted Mugabe in 2017 was, in many ways, a culmination of these long simmering tensions. Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, once loyal lieutenants to Mugabe, ultimately turned against their former patron, driven by a combination of personal ambition and a desire for change. The coup, while hailed by many as a liberation from Mugabe's authoritarian rule, also exposed the deep-seated fissures within ZANU-PF. The current power struggle between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, with Mutsvangwa fanning the flames, demonstrates that the old patterns of intrigue and betrayal persist. The ghosts of the past continue to haunt Zimbabwe's political landscape, reminding the nation that the struggle for power is often a zero-sum game, where loyalty is fleeting and betrayal is the ultimate weapon.